Welcome guys! Today I am going to make arrowroots crisps or nduma. First, I will peel the cover. And by the way, if you find yourself itching after washing the nduma, try peeling then washing. You won't feel the itchy reaction on your skin. After that, I will cut into quarters, then I start shaping. After that, I decided to use this tool to make shape. And it couldn't, so I opted to use a knife and they came out so well. After they are ready, I will transfer in a dish with water and wash at least 5 times to remove the starch. Then I will transfer them in a kitchen towel so that they can drain some water. I'll also dab to remove the water in them. The bubbles indicate the cooking oil is ready. So I will start adding the arrowroots one by one. I will let them cook for about 5 minutes, then I will keep on turning until well cooked and crunchy. They are ready, we'll remove them and set them aside. We'll repeat the same process until they are done. At this stage, I will add some salt and mix, or if you want, you can put some spices at this stage. It really so yummy and crunchy. You should try out the recipe and let me know how it turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share and like. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.